Hey, this is AC Locke here with SoftWash Systems, and I have Todd and Zach Vollertson here, and you guys with SouthPaw Softwash,
yes, sir.
Right? And y'all are in Charleston, South Carolina, correct?
Just a little bit up the highway.
Yeah, that's in the South.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we love the South, that's for sure. Y'all are in there, the low country boils and redfish fishing and great golf courses, all that kind of stuff.
Yes. Yeah.
Tell me about some of the areas that you guys service there, the communities you're servicing.
So we really service the whole tri-county area of Charleston, Charleston County, Dorchester County, and Berkeley County, which includes the city of Charleston, James Island, Johns Island, Kiowa Island, Seabrook Island, West Ashley, Mount Pleasant, Isle of Palms, Sullivan's Island, Daniel Island, go up into North Charleston, Hanahan, Somerville, Goose Creek, Monk's Corner, the whole tri-county area.
Well, there you go. There you go. So if you guys don't know about soft washing, I'm getting ready to explain it to you, but listen, before you pressure wash your house, you want to give these guys a call. Soft washing is the alternative to pressure washing, and I just want to thank you guys so much for trusting us with putting you guys into the soft washing business. Hey guys, these are our latest affiliates there in Charleston. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to tell your customers about soft washing.
Thank you.
All right, so you already heard that soft washing is the alternative to pressure washing. Well, what do we mean about that? Well, you know, instead of the blowing and blasting of pressure washing, soft washing uses water-based biodegradable chemicals. We spray them on a building. They emulsify dirt and grime. They kill algae, mold, mildew, lichens, bacteria, viruses, sanitizing the surface that we're cleaning and treating. It uses 1/3 the water of pressure washing, and it lasts 4 to 6 times longer, which makes it a great alternative to pressure washing. Also too, for y'all there in Charleston, in the low country, we know almost every storm drain goes out to the estuaries. And we want to make sure that we adhere to the U.S. Clean Water Act and protect your waters there in Charleston, because everything's about the water there and we can't destroy our environment. So let me tell you how soft washing's going to help you with that. If you come in here nice and close, we're going to talk about this head here. This is our Blend 3D unit, and what we're doing when we talk about 3D technology, we're taking water, we're taking bleach, and we're taking soap, and those 3 products we're blending into a soft washing solution. Now when I talk about bleach, bleach is sodium hypochlorite. And when we talk about sodium hypochlorite, we're talking about the fact that sodium hypochlorite is very natural, it's very biodegradable, it's naturally occurring. Every time lightning strikes the ocean, it creates sodium hypochlorite bleach. A lot of people don't know that. Bleach, when it breaks down within 2 or 3 days of our cleaning, breaks down into water and salt. That's it. A lot of people don't know that all bleach is, all sodium hypochlorite is salt water passed through electrolysis like a lightning bolt coming down out of the sky, and that's how you make sodium hypochlorite, bleach. It's a very natural product, and that's what we're using in this head here. We're taking bleach, water, and soap, mixing those together into a soft washing solution, and then spraying that up on your building. Then once that gets on your building, it not only cleans it, not only bleaches it, but it actually sanitizes the surface and emulsifies, breaks down any algae, mold, mildew, lichens, bacteria, pollen, fungus, dirt, grime, to where all we have to do is rinse it away with this tool right here. And this is our Rinse DC Plus. Now, it's a rinse machine because it rinses at 7 gallons a minute at 110 PSI. It is not a pressure washer. There is no pressure washer on this piece of equipment. All right, everything on here is 12-volt battery powered. It not only rinses at 7 gallons a minute, but it also is DC powered. And then the plus here is that it has our plant wash, plant neutralizing system on it, where we fertilize, fortify, neutralize the bleach off of the plants, reestablish the essential anaerobic bacteria nutrients that need to be in the soil for the bacteria in the soil, so that the plants don't suffer at all from the cleaning. We guarantee your landscaping 100% that it will not be damaged by our process, our manpower, or our chemicals, and that's how we assure that. Next to that here is our Phantom Window Works. This is our RODI unit, reverse osmosis deionizing. It's a series of cartridges that takes regular city water or well water and removes all of the minerals from it, all the minerals, and makes it 99.9% pure water. So it dries when you rinse these surfaces 100% spot free. So whether we're cleaning your windows or rinsing your beadboard ceilings, or you've got highly polished stones or very glossy paint on surfaces like the doors on your home. We're able to rinse those completely spot free with this machine right here. Around back here on this machine, this is all 100% DC powered. Also including in the DC powered section are our electric hose reels. All of these then spray the chemicals onto the home, rinse the chemicals off of the home. We're able to do the pure water rinsing here and bring the source water in. But as we come around back here to the back side of the truck, you'll see our saddle tanks here. And here's where we have our green wash, which is our antimicrobial surfactant, our Terra Wash and our Rain Fresh here. Terra Wash is for dirt and silt, dust, things that are earthen in nature. Rain Fresh, which is our cover scent that makes everything smell powdery fresh. Our plant wash that we talked about here, that we spray on the plants to neutralize the plants. And then right here, finally, we have our final wash. And the final wash is a hydrophobic soap that we spray on your home that waxes the building, and it makes it hydrophobic to where it pushes off dirt, it pushes off silt, it pushes off pollen so that the property stays clean 4 to 6 times longer. All right, so how do you engage a company that has this type of technology? How do you ensure that you're using a genuine SoftWash Systems company? Well, you have to look for this shield. If you see this shield on their truck or on their website or their collateral materials, it means that you are engaging a genuine SoftWash Systems affiliate company. They have passed over 400 questions a test, taking around 50 hours of classes, gone through 2 hands-on proficiency courses, a Top Gun school. This is the best of the best in the cleaning industry, employing our SoftWash Systems technology. And how do you get that, especially in Charleston, South Carolina? Well, you're going to call Todd and Zach at 843-906-2280. That's 843-906-2280, or SouthPawSoftwash.com. They're serving you there in the greater Charleston area. Remember, always look for the shield and hire a genuine SoftWash Systems company. This is AC Lock here. Go forth and prosper.